How to log in to Emplive account for employees. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Emplive account for your employees. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your web browser. On your web browser, type the following. Simply hit ess.emplivecloud.com. So after you type this in, this right here, hit enter and it should take you to this website. So this website is for employee self-service where you can log in using your account. So use your username for your Emplive account. So let's say this is my username, then type in your password. Then simply hit on sign in and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.